Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Life of Sid. Today I'm going to Delhi in an Indigo flight. So this is the airport. Guys, I'm so surprised that it is so free today. Like always it would be so busy. Now it is so free, as you can see. Guys, literally nobody is there in the airport. And the check-in is over. It was a very easy check-in. And this is our flight, I think. This is where the flights are shown. Guys, this is how much luggage we have. Guys, it's so free. I'm so surprised that it's so free. Guys, and from Delhi, guys, and then I'm going to Delhi for my skating competition which is happening there. And then after my competition is over, I'm going to Agra where we can see Taj Mahal. So be happy to see those things. Taj Mahal is a very good place to visit. Guys, now I'm going to board the flight. Everybody's waiting